Hey guys, it's Chad from Legend Fleet Solutions. Today we'll show you how to do an install on our front fixed step. Fixed step would be to grab your mounting bracket, your transfer punches, and your hammer. Now that we're under the van, you're gonna see 2 factory studs. Take your bracket, place them over the studs for your hole location. Then take your marker and accurately mark out each bolt hole. Once you've marked them out, take your transfer punches and mark each point. After you have your center punches, take your drill each one that you've marked with your 2 different sizes. We have your M10 bolts and your M6. Once you've drilled all your holes, you're gonna take your plus nut, install it onto the installer. Make sure the flange of the nut is up tight against the rocker panel. Push in and install. Now that our plus nuts are installed and our holes are drilled in our rocker lip, it's time to install the step. Hold your step in place. Put your bolts into the plus nuts. Once you've installed the brackets, time to put on your tread. Locate your mounting holes with the punches in the downward direction and install your bolts.